Are you tired of dealing with glaucoma and cataracts? Do you yearn for a solution that doesn't just mask the symptoms, but addresses the root cause of these eye conditions? Today, we're going to talk about something revolutionary, a breakthrough in the field of vision health, HerbaVision Ultra. HerbaVision Ultra isn't just a supplement, it's a game changer. This comprehensive herbal formula is a powerhouse blend of 20 clinically researched herbs and nutrients. Among these are the clinically proven lutein and zeaxanthin, potent antioxidants known for their remarkable benefits for eye health. These ingredients work synergistically not just to alleviate symptoms but to reverse eye problems such as glaucoma and cataracts. But the benefits of HerbaVision Ultra don't stop there. It goes above and beyond, providing support for healthy vision, protection against the harmful blue light emitted by our screens, and relief for dry eyes. Imagine all these benefits without any side effects. That's the power of nature, harnessed in a bottle. HerbaVision Ultra is manufactured in a facility that meets the stringent standards of good manufacturing practices. Every ingredient that goes into each bottle is USDA organic certified. This means you're getting nothing but the purest, highest quality ingredients Mother Nature has to offer. The testimonies speak for themselves. Thousands of individuals have experienced the transformative effect of HerbaVision Ultra. They've regained their freedom, their confidence, and most importantly, their vision. To recap, HerbaVision Ultra is a comprehensive herbal supplement that reverses glaucoma and cataracts, supports healthy vision, protects against blue light, and prevents dry eyes. It's made from USDA organic certified ingredients, ensuring you get only the best that nature has to offer. Unlock the power of nature with HerbaVision Ultra and see the world with fresh eyes, because everyone deserves to have clear, healthy vision. Remember, your eyes are the windows to your soul. It's time to let them shine. To find out more, visit www.greenpharmacist.ng/freefrompoorvision or see link in description. Nature's Lab, inspired by nature, driven by science.